What's up everybody? Amadeus here for Deus on the Beat. Today I'm going to show you how to tune your 808s on the iPad. Let's get it. I wanted to make a quick tutorial for all of you out there that are producing on an iPad, and a lot of the packs that you find on the internet or even some of the ones that you buy, when you load them up you might hit a C on your keyboard when you load it in, but it's not actually a C. So the way to fix this, you go into your sampler and you're going to need an audio effects plugin from the App Store called Analyzer FX. Go ahead and click into that, and when you first open it up it's going to show linear. Go down here to tuner at the bottom. Now hit a C on your MIDI keyboard. See, that's pulling up at a G sharp. Yep. So you want that at a C. The way to fix that, go back into your sampler. A G sharp is 8 steps up from a C. Take it down to 8 and go back to your tuner. Hit a C again. I see it's kind of hovering at that 5 marker. You want it right on the money, so go back in here to fine tune. Take it down 5 cents. Go back to plugin. Boom. If you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I make beats. Go ahead and check those out too if you want. I appreciate you watching. I hope this was informative. I'll catch you next time.